welcome back to my channel. Guess where we are? Disney! We're in Disney! Happy birthday to me! Mom's birthday is tomorrow, so tomorrow we're going to Epcot, but tonight we are at Disney Springs and we are headed to Rainforest Cafe for a fun start to our vacation. Yay! You excited?
I am very excited.
Stay tuned for all the adventures. We have an entire table to ourselves for 8 people. But it's great. Nice view of everything.
Party of tea.
Yummy! The sandwich looks good.
Touchdown, Rainforest Cafe, and a very special birthday. 1, 2, 3, 4. Happy birthday from all of us to you. We made this something special. We made it just for you. We only have a super party sugar. We can play some happy birthday from Rainforest Cafe. Hey!
Yay! So how was dinner?
Dinner was fabulous. Had a little drink, had a free cake, and they got to sing to me. So it was fun. Got to see the rainforest.
Yeah, the only time we've been to Rainforest Cafe was my 21st birthday, but we didn't know you had to make reservations, so we only got to sit at the bar and didn't get the full experience. So this time we got to have the full experience and see the rainforest, like
Elephants,
thunderstorm and all of that. It was so fun. And then we just walked around Disney Springs and kind of walked in a few shops and then decided we were ready to come back and relax because tomorrow is Mom's birthday and we're going to Epcot.
Yay!
So we're gonna
Until then,
end the vlog for now. We'll see you guys in the morning.
Peace
Bye. Thing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mom. Happy birthday to you. Pull out your imaginary candle. Now we get to eat cake. Happy birthday. Are you excited to be 50?
I'm not 50 yet. We're 17.
Okay. But we get to go to Epcot.
Yes.
So we're excited.
And we're having mimosas for breakfast.
Well, you're having a mimosa.
Oh, okay.
I can have some orange juice. We got your birthday button. Happy birthday. Yup! Look at the Mickey waffles! Look, you get all the autographs! That's so cute! And a birthday cupcake! If you can hear the air, I'm sorry, it's very hot. How was breakfast?
Breakfast was phenomenal.
It was good. Would have been better if we could have seen characters, obviously, but the food was pretty delicious. The hash brown casserole was amazing, and the cinnamon roll.
The cheese Danish.
Yeah, Mom likes the cheese Danish. The blueberry muffin was good too. It was fun.
And the mimosa was pretty good.
Yeah, and then we weren't even expecting it, but they brought Mom a little birthday cupcake and a little placemat with all of the characters' autographs on it, which was so fun.
That was cool. Especially because it was a surprise.
Yeah, we weren't expecting it, so it was fun. But now we are waiting at Epcot. We're about to get into the parking lot and then start our day.
Peace out.
We're at Epcot. You can see the mall. So excited. Morning. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, we are officially in Epcot. We have both, Mom already had her hair up, but I pulled my hair up to have matching ears. And we're gonna ride our first ride, Spaceship Earth. You excited? You're supposed to look back. Oh, your hair's cute.
Please watch your children.
First ride! Here we go!
Or should I say the beginning of your future?
We officially rode our first ride. Oh, it's bright.
Oh, it's very bright.
That was fun. Definitely not a ride we would ride every single time if we came all the time, but since we don't, that was super fun. All right, where to next?
Over here in the shade so I can get my sunglasses out.
All right, sounds like a plan. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Ride number 2. Having so much fun. We're in a cliff show. We're gonna go see Nemo.
I'm sure we'll see him any minute now.
Nemo!
Oh, science is great, there's so much to know. Climb aboard, explorers, it's time to go. Oh, don't worry, just keep your eyes open for him.
Just keep swimming, just keep swimming.
Oh, let's go explore.
Yeah, I just wanted to film.
I didn't know where we were going. Oh, we're going right here.
Yeah, we're going on Soarin. We are on ride number 3 and we haven't stopped. Like, we've literally just been walking through the park and like walking up to the ride, going on the ride, getting off, walking to the next, getting on. It's been great. Like, no lines, no nothing. We're just zipping through the park. We haven't even made it to the eating around the world part. So this has been great. Coming to Disney during COVID is, minus a mask, pretty great, not gonna lie.
What the hell?
You ready to start soaring around the world?
Yes, I am.
Let's go soaring!
Let's fly.
You can see Australia. You get to see the Sydney Harbor Bridge.
Oh, now we're in Africa.
Africa, look at the elephants! That's what that you would do. There's the elephant. I've ridden one of these in Thailand, yeah. I love the smell. The Great Pyramid of Egypt! Oh,
The pyramids in Egypt.
that's awesome. The Giza Pyramid. Oh, that's... We're going over the waterfall. Take that to the bottom. We're over Niagara.
And you've actually seen some of this in real life.
Real life.
Which is really cool.
Yeah. You've seen this though, haven't you?
No.
You didn't go to, oh, you just went to the Paris airport?
Paris. Yeah, just the airport.
Oh, so you haven't even seen the Eiffel Tower?
Paris and Vegas.
Well, yeah, me too.
I've been to the top of the Eiffel Tower.
Me too, in Vegas. We're back in Epcot. There's Tinkerbell!
Oh, Space Trails and Pinky down.
Oh, it's Mickey! There's Ginger.
Welcome to our living laboratories, where scientists from Epcot and the U.S. Department of
There's pineapple.
Agriculture are exploring innovative ways to produce bountiful harvests now and into the future.
That's so cool.
Like water, fertilizer, and pesticides.
Just like that.
We
see
serve
it.
more than 15 tons of produce from our greenhouses in restaurants here at the land every year.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. We have officially made it into the World Showcase, and we're walking around and we have our first food. We got the ribeye taco from Mexico. So we're gonna share this and then see what else treats and stuff we find. Let's see if this is good. Do you want me to squeeze the lime over it? You like lime or no?
And then here's your napkin. And how?
You should have got a fork.
Yeah.
There's a lot of meat. Oh my god.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm. Oh, really good. You like it?
Mm-hmm. No, I love the lime flavor.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that was really good. Let's rate it out of 10. A really good flavor. I would say 8.
I was gonna say 8.
Pretty good. So, from Mexico, the ribeye taco, 8 out of 10. Just 2.
Please watch your step out your board, folks. Watch your step out your board.
Look! Build a snowman. Come on, let's go and play.
Elsa's made a magic winter show. It's summer snow for spaghetti and we're going to Elsa's ice cup. You and you, all of you. See you there.
Do you want to build a snowman? I want to build a snowman.
There's the trolls!
On a day very much like today, on a sail consistent of an unselfish act of true love and hope.
Ready to see Elsa? They were born ready.
First time in forever.
We get to share
His tongue stuck.
for the first time in forever. Elsa's invited.
There's Elsa! Can you possess the limits and break through? No matter the We're gonna go backwards. I'm free! Let it go! Let it go! I'm one with the wind and Cold never bothered me anyway. Putting off steam. And you guys will be there too.
When I finally do what frozen things do in summer.
Da-da. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Okay, so we are taking a break in Italy. That looks delicious. We went in Norway, we rode Frozen, and kind of skipped over China. Nothing really sounded good there. And our next stop is now Italy, and we have the cheese tortellini that looks amazing. And then we have a traditional Sicilian cannoli, which is what I'm most excited about. Pretty good. Pretty good.
Is it bacon?
It's like a cheese tortellini with like some kind of red sauce with crumpled bacon on top. And that's really good.
It is pretty good.
What do you rate this one?
6. Maybe
7.
7.
I feel like 6 is a low number. It's pretty good.
7.
Hard to do wrong with pasta though. Pasta is just pretty good in general.
But I do like, I like tortellini, so.
I'm most excited about this cannoli. It's literally like coated in chocolate.
I just want to bite. I'm not a huge cannoli fan.
That's good. But I love sweets.
I like the savory. That bacon was fabulous.
Taste it and then we'll rate the cannoli. That was good.
That's pretty good.
A pretty good cannoli, right? That's what I said. I've never had one that's completely coated in chocolate. That one was like the cannoli shell, but it was also coated in chocolate. That's like a 8 out of 10 on the dessert scale. Hard to compare like food with dessert, but
yeah, I would agree with that.
It was a pretty good dessert though.
It was.
And our view while we snack on these is so nice. We're just looking at the big ball and all the water. Making our way around the world. We started over there. We've done all this. We've got all of that to go.
I don't want to drink it all before you get a chance.
Are you having a great birthday?
I am having a great birthday.
How many people do you think have told you happy birthday today?
Oh, we're close to 50 for sure. Maybe more than
Maybe
that.
more than that. Literally every cast member we've seen. For the most part.
A couple have missed. But for the most part.
But there's been magic.
Even people.
What ride were we on? Where they like, oh, it was the Seas with Nemo and Friends. And the guy literally was just like, oh, it's your birthday, y'all go this way. So we went through the fast pass line, which isn't even like a fast pass line anymore, but we didn't have to take the big long loop. And we just like walked straight up to the ride.
Front of the line. He was a great cast
we went
member.
to the front and it was awesome. That was really fun.
But the coolest thing is having people tell me happy birthday that we don't even know. There aren't.
Yeah, that aren't cast
Just
members.
Strangers walking by, happy birthday.
But I mean, it's not like it's not obvious.
Yeah.
As we're sporting 50 in your ears. But you ready to head to the next booth and see what else we can find to eat?
Yep, I'm all about some
Let's
food.
go.
It's so hot. It's really like
It's
not
awful.
even worth eating.
Yeah.
That's how I feel right now.
So we are in America and I don't eat lobster, but Mom, it's her birthday and this is what she wanted. So she has the lobster roll with sauce or something on the bun. So
This is like extra butter.
she's gonna eat it and rate it for you and let you know how it tastes. I'm gonna drink water. Oh, that smells good. The butter sauce smells good. It's like garlic.
Sure you don't want to bite?
I don't eat anything that swims. Yeah. Good? What do you rate it?
I'll give it a 7.
So close to the tacos.
It is good. Very good.
Sauce smells really good.
The garlic butter makes all the difference.
I mean, you put garlic and butter in anything and it's gonna taste better, so. Hot and yummy. Oh, that looks delicious. Okay, so we are in Brazil. We're trying the Brazilian cheese bread. Fun fact, it's gluten-free, and well, everything I eat should be gluten-free. It's not been, but this is, so I'm really excited to try it. Oh my God.
I'm just gonna eat a bite and let you have the rest.
Okay, bet. This is delicious. It's totally like deep fried cheese.
Oh wow. I thought it was like, I don't know what I thought.
I don't know what I thought either, but it was really good. If you like cheese, which I do, It's really good. It's very cheesy.
Yeah. It's like the best Pizza Hut pizza crust with stuffed cheese that I've ever had in my life.
Yeah. Give it an 8 out of 10. Because flavor-wise, it's really good. And I don't think I can get this like anywhere else, so.
It's really good.
And that it's gluten-free, it's pretty cool to me.
Yeah, the bread's gluten-free.
Because I literally think it's just deep fried cheese. I think the outside has to be like.
It's a breading of some sort.
It's gluten-free. We're changing music. Sometimes we meet the princess. Ah! Oh, it's Elsa. It's Elsa! Okay, so we're inside it. We went to the, what was this one? Desserts and champagne. And we got a frozen cake pop, plain. And we got a non-alcoholic frozen s'more. So, lots of chocolate.
Lots of chocolate.
Oh, it's cold.
It's freezing.
It hurts my teeth.
Is it good? Okay.
It's rich.
Yeah, once you get into it, it's easier to bite.
That's pretty good too. It even tastes graham crackery. Cake pop is like 10 out of 10. It's delicious.
I would say that about this. I'm surprised it doesn't have alcohol in it.
Well, they have the alcoholic one.
I'm just saying, it kind of tastes alcoholic.
I hope it wasn't.
I don't know if I can. It's just so rich.
This is like 9 out of 10. Yeah, the s'mores I give like 7. It's not my favorite.
See, I thought it was really good. It tastes like the best chocolate milk I've ever drank.
We can have different ratings. This is so good. You can have pretty much the rest of that and I'll eat this. Okay, so from Appleseed Orchard, we got the frozen apple pie. It's non-alcoholic. And the charcuterie and cheese plate. Look how yummy that looks. I'm very excited. This is like my favorite thing on earth, is cheese plates. It's like some kind of meat, I think.
I know, but I wanted to like split it, but and all the cheeses are different.
That's blue cheese, I think.
This is a hard cheese too.
Pepperoni was good.
That cheese is actually really good. I think this is brie. I love brie.
Oh my goodness, that's yummy.
That does taste like an apple pie for sure.
Yeah, so cheese plate, it's pretty standard cheese plate. I've had better. Probably a 5 out of 10.
Might give it a 6, but. And
Okay.
here's your fork.
We're at the macaroni booth now, and we got the gourmet cheese and then the buffalo. This one is the buffalo the way it comes with blue cheese. Mom got an extra specialty one because it's her birthday without. And then gourmet.
Alright, which one try first?
I want to try the plain, yeah. This one looks yummy.
What's this on the side?
I think it's cheese.
Oh my stars. But it's cold cheese. Hot pasta with cold cheese.
That's delicious though. That's so good.
It's like a sour cream. Mmm. That is so rich.
That's awesome.
That's really good.
OMG, yeah, this one is. Very good. It has like a coldish cheese on the side, but it's really nice when you like dip it all together.
Yeah, it is actually really good. I just want another bite.
Taste that and see if it's good. It looks funny and I'm weird about things. So, but everyone says it's good, but.
I mean, it's good. I'm trying to distinguish the flavor that I'm tasting. I think you'll like it. I think it has like, I think I taste peppers.
I see peppers in it.
And you love peppers and food?
Yeah, I do.
Like, I feel like it's going to be something you will like. It's very savory.
It's not super buffalo-y though.
Mm-mm. And it's very savory.
It has a kick. I'm sensitive to all kinds of spice. And there's a kick in that for sure. It's hot.
But what is it?
I taste the cilantro, but I had a huge piece of it.
And see, I avoided the cilantro.
That's hot.
You want some water?
No.
That's the reason I got water.
I don't like spice. The flavor is really good. It's just hot.
It's a very strong flavor.
It's just a really strong buffalo. No, it was delicious. It was just, I don't like spicy. So that's I think the only reason I didn't like it.
Great flavor though.
This one, however, though, the gourmet is great. Bye, Epcot. All right, we are back at the hotel. We ended up having to cancel our dinner reservations because we were just
Exhausted.
too full, exhausted. We didn't even get to try like some of the food booths we wanted to try because that's how just full we were, and we were just ready to come and chill out. So, top three parts of your day. What are your 3 favorite parts for your birthday?
You could have given me a heads up that I was gonna have to say that.
It's more fun to just things go on your feet.
Okay, so the magic, obviously.
Yeah.
Getting a placemat at breakfast that I wasn't expecting. Getting front of the line access on that one ride. Getting to be able to cancel dinner reservations
For
with
free.
no fee.
Yeah.
So the Disney magic, definitely. Having everybody tell me happy birthday that even came in our general direction, not just cast members and crew, but like just random people. That was cool. And then I mean the food, you know, I mean it was just the experience, just Disney. Disney is just,
it was so fun.
You can't compare it to anything else.
Top 3 parts were probably Frozen. That was just fun. Beauty and the Beast sing along actually was more fun than I expected it to be. That was really fun to sing.
Yeah.
And then, oh, seeing Elsa and Anna unexpectedly. That was awesome.
Characters and Winnie the Pooh.
And Winnie the Pooh. But Elsa and Anna specifically because it was like I heard the music while we were sitting there trying the cheese bread, and I like heard the music and I was like, oh, characters, and I like ran and then got yelled at for not having a mask on because I was so excited to go in to see them.
But again, magic. It was just
it was
so
just fun.
And having Anna say, happy birthday.
Anna. But
whatever.
Yes. But yeah, it was so fun overall. And then I don't think I said this either. I didn't vlog when I got my sipper cup. But this was the last booth I went to because I knew I wanted this, like since we walked in, this is the one thing I wanted all day. And it's like an orange slushie and it's like 10 out of 10. Tastes like, if you're from Georgia and you've ever been to the Varsity, tastes like an FO. It's delicious. But
and Bashy's gonna enjoy playing with the souvenir
Sebastian's gonna love the cup. But it was a great day. Happy birthday.
It was a great day. Thank you.
And I'm gonna end
And
this
I feel
vlog.
50. Walking around the park in the heat with a mask on.
And I'm pregnant. It's obvious.
Yeah, I feel 50 today.
But I'm gonna end this vlog now. Stay tuned though, because the next vlog after this is gonna be tomorrow, which is just gonna be a chill day.
More birthday adventures.
But more birthday fun. And then we have our character breakfast the last day. So stay tuned for more videos.
Peace out.
Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.